Continuing with our Honda Aero project, we had to repair a coolant leak in the coolant pipe between the two cylinder heads. Here you can see the coolant pipe that we're talking about. Here's the spare parts we needed to make this repair happen: 2 O-rings and 2 clips. In this photo you can see we've got the springs off. In the next photo you'll see we had to push the pipe back so we can access the O-ring. In the next photo you can see we got the first one off, the new one repaired. I didn't get to film that part. Alright, we're working on replacing these O-rings. We've already got the first one done. We're working on getting the second one out. So there it is. So we've got to get it out. There's the old one. See, it tore. It came out. There's the old springs. Here's the new stuff to go in. Of course, like I said, we've already replaced one of these. So we're getting ready to replace the second one. So we'll get it off and see how it goes. Hopefully it goes as smooth as the first one. Okay, the second O-ring's out. We'll get ready to put the new one in. Okay, second one's on. We'll move this back into place and put the pins back in. Okay, getting ready to put our springs in. There's the old ones and the new ones. Put the spring clips in, we'll clean it up, we'll be done. Okay, we're all complete. Both O-rings are reinstalled. It's got new clips on it, and it should be ready to go. Come around the other side here. There you have it. All right, once we get the engine back together, carburetor's on. Hopefully it won't leak.